The Adobe Experience Cloud is a suite of Adobe products that enable marketers to manage their marketing efforts. At the center of the Marketing Cloud is Adobe Experience Manager, or AEM, which marketers use to build, manage, and optimize the customer experience across multiple platforms, including websites, social channels, smart screens, and IoT devices. It allows for automatic editing and resizing of both copy and images based on the platform. To showcase this, we will demonstrate how Adobe Experience Manager will enable various roles within the Lenovo ecosystem to quickly and efficiently deploy content from ideation to the web. We will refer to these tasks as the 4 M's: make, manage, mobilize, and measure. YY is a lead graphic designer. Via an AEM workflow email notification, he has been assigned a task to create a graphic for a new product launch. This graphic will be used later to create various digital experiences like the website's product page. As a graphic designer, YY spends most of his time working in Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. Once the graphic has been created and YY has completed his task, he uses the Asset link, an in-panel extension available for use by Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, to upload the new product graphic into the AEM DAM. Upon upload, an AEM workflow can be triggered to perform several duties, like approval requests, sending notifications via email, or corporate chat software to the content marketing and other teams. Once uploaded, AEM provides several configurable tagging options for the image. AEM also provides several mechanisms using workflow processes or native constructs like smart collections that can automatically assign metadata values according to specific applications, usage, or location. By leveraging Sensei, Adobe's built-in machine learning component, AEM also has the ability to recommend meta tags based on an analysis of the uploaded asset. Sensei can also be trained to recommend custom tags based upon a company's specific taxonomy. Metadata values can also be manually assigned by simply adding the value and saving. Now, after doing a search for the manual value added, we can now verify that the new product graphic is now immediately available for use. Gina is a product content marketer that has been tasked with creating all the various experiences supporting the new product's launch. By using a combination of page templates, content, and experience fragments, she will be able to quickly create all the necessary assets without any required assistance from the IT department. Gina begins by creating a page using one of the available pre-constructed page templates. She can add a system and page title, as well as assign meta tags to aid in content searching. There are also configurable advanced tabs to collect other configuration information, as well as the ability to create social channel variations of the same page. The AEM page editor provides an in-context preview of the page during construction. This built-in panel provides access to the DAM, as well as all components that have been authorized for use on this page. The AEM page editor provides an in-context preview of the page during construction. This built-in panel provides access to the DAM, as well as to all components that have been authorized for use on this page. Gina proceeds to add a hero banner created as an experience fragment, as well as the product's description created with a content fragment. Content can be created in two variations, inline and modular. Inline content is embedded in the page, whereas modular content using content and/or experience fragments can be reused in many other experiences and formats. Content fragments allow Gina to create channel agnostic content. Content fragments can also contain variations, such as teaser or mobile-friendly content. Gina can then utilize these fragments and their variations when authoring content on pages. In combination with the built-in API, these structured content fragments can be delivered to channels other than AEM pages. Experience fragments consist of one or more components, including content and layout that can be referenced within pages. They can be based upon editable templates to define structure. They can be combined with other components to form complete pages or experiences. They can even contain other experience fragments. Identical to content fragments, they can have different variations. And lastly, they can be broken down to create reusable experience fragments called building blocks. It is important to note that both can be leveraged either in traditional AEM pages or in a headless fashion in external applications like single-page apps or mobile apps. They can be consumed by external microservices for delivery to other custom applications like e-commerce systems. Now that Gina has completed her page creation, she can publish the page to production either instantaneously or via an approval workflow process. Upon publishing, the page and its modular content experiences become immediately available to all available channels. Lastly, Paul, a member of the analytics team, wants to monitor the performance of the product page post-launch. Through a native integration with Adobe Analytics, Paul can view critical analytics like page views and unique visitors for the product page. Also, with the Asset Insights feature, Paul is able to view how the product image is performing in the external channels, such as SPAs, social media, email campaigns, and mobile applications. With the powerful combination of Adobe Experience Manager and Fluid Experiences, marketers will be able to provide differentiated digital shopping experiences to win sales in today's market. Together with other products in the Experience, Creative, and Document clouds, Adobe will partner with Lenovo to allow the ability to seamlessly make, mobilize, manage, and measure customer experiences across multiple channels.